Hello, everybody, how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel Tech World. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can install CapCut on your iPhone or iOS. So this is iOS and you can easily download and install CapCut on your mobile through App Store for iPhone user. For Android user, you need to go to Google Play Store. But for iPhone user you have App Store. Alright, so before I show you the way, just don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World for future videos just like this. Now let's move on with the video. First step, you need to open App Store. After you open App Store over here, go on versus search at the bottom. Once you go on the search feed over here at the top, you want to write CapCut because that's what we want to download. After you search for CapCut, click on this icon over here right beside CapCut. So on your screen it's going to show you Git, but since I've already downloaded CapCut on my past, it's going to show me this little cloud icon. I can click on it, and it will start to download. But for you need to click and Get. After you click and Get, you need to verify that you're the owner of the iPhone, or in other words, you're the owner of this Apple account. However you can do that is by entering your Apple ID password or by verifying your Face ID. Alright, so that's the thing you need to do. But after you complete the verification process, or CapCut will start to download just like this. And you can also go into screen, and as you guys can see, it's showing me the CapCut logo. And it's showing me loading, which means CapCut is downloading, and after it finishes downloading I can click on this logo and my CapCut will open up. So that's how we guys can download and use CapCut for iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World, and I'll be seeing you guys on the future video. And CapCut is a video editing software which is available for Android and iOS. Alright, so you can easily edit your videos for your TikTok or for anything using CapCut. Alright, so thanks for watching and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day. My CapCut is installed. Again, click and open it just like this. Alright, so have a nice day everybody and bye bye.